I'm Tom Creel with Chopper College, and here's our tools for the bike build. Number one, safety glasses. Anywhere you go, you need these. All right, we have a drill, typically used for drilling out the holes after powder coat and paint. Obviously, you need some drill bits with those, or even tapered drill bits too. We have an impact wrench, electric impact wrench we use for the pulleys on the primary. The front pulley and the rear pulley need to be torqued down, but this gives it a good start. We've got ourselves a torque wrench. This helps with torquing all the bolts to correct specifications. We've got two right here, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, but we have an assortment as well. These come in handy when making adjustments to the carburetor and even little adjustments to the lines and throttle lines. Ooh. We've got ourselves a hammer here and a center punch, automatic center punch. If you need to drill through paint to get another mounting hole or areas like that as well. We've got a combination wrench. This one's got the nice little swivel attached to it to get into tight places. These are used quite often along with ball and Allens. Those two tools will get you through your entire bike build almost. Ball and Allens, we also have socket Allens. You need a wide assortment of sockets as well. SAE, which is standard. And then also a specialty set of pliers for getting, if you have a ball and ramp mechanism for your clutch, in your transmission, you're going to need a set of specialty pliers with tips on there to get the ring out of there, the E-clip. We also have needle nose pliers. We've got crescent wrenches, regular pliers, and then a few specialty items that we have you could find at any store. We've got a sander, and what we use that on is when we go into the engine and transmission, we align, shim, and get those all set up by taking down some of the paint or powder coat on the frame. We've also got an oil filter wrench used to tighten up the oil filter without damaging it. We also have a file used to get off rough edges for routing electrical wires. The drill bits, as I mentioned. We also have a die and tap set. These are used after powder coat and paint to get the holes in line for the bolts. Along with the electrical wires, what we have is a soldering gun. We've got crimpers and wire splitters, and then we also have a heat gun. And these are the tools typically used for your bike builds. I'm Tom Creel with Chopper College.